Good morning, everyone. So this morning I got woken up by a strange sound beneath my window, and it sounded like Oliver had gotten him some type of animal, but I'd never heard this sound before, and I didn't really think nothing of it. Got up, well, I went outside and I seen Oliver and Tina sitting around the tree over there. And usually Oliver will catch things and torment them. He'll keep them alive and chase them and play with them and hurt them. And so I'm always having to save things. I've saved like a lizard from him. I've saved a squirrel, a few birds. And today, this is what I saved. Y'all, it's so cute. Look, it's a baby bunny. It's a baby bunny. Now this is a wild rabbit, but look, it's still alive. She's really scared, or he. I put that piece of cabbage in there before I did research. I know now. So I'm going to go gather some dandelion greens and some Italian parsley. And this little baby, I'm going to keep it safe. I was doing research and it was saying that wild bunnies, they eat alfalfa hay and they eat wild parsley and dandelion greens. So I'm gonna go collect some of those things, and then we'll try to feed her or him. Okay, I gathered some wild parsley, or some parsley, and some dandelion greens. She's in shock, or he. Oh, look, he's sniffing him. So this baby has left its nest. Usually once their eyes open, it's an indicator that they did leave their nest. So it was saying I could raise this bunny. Oh, look, he might eat it. Oh my gosh, you guys, he's so small. Oh look, he's licking his lips. He wants to eat that parsley. He does have a wound on the other side of his little body. Oh look, he's thinking about it. So I'm just going to let him chill and recover. He's had a stressful morning. Hopefully he eats some of that. But this is what it's like to live in the country. You find all kinds of animals. Jinky, you get away from the bunny. Get away from the bun. You evil cat. Don't worry, little bunny. Don't worry, little bun. It's okay. You're safe now. I will protect you. I will protect you, little bunny. Don't worry. You guys, if you've got any tips or anything, please tell me. And I will keep you guys updated. Okay, as you guys can see, I got him a bed of grass. I put some towels in there. I gave him some parsley and some dandelion greens. He's very scared, so I'm just trying to let him relax. He seems to be fine. There's no like terrible wounds. He can jump fine. So I'm obviously not going to keep him because he's a wild rabbit. I'm just like letting him rehabilitate because I know he probably had a rough night with, Oliver attacking him and all. So I'm going to let him sleep and relax. And then later on, I will let him back out. I will find a spot where the cats won't find him. You can tell he's just exhausted. So I'm going to put him in a quiet spot. He's got some towels in there and some grass. So I'm going to put him in a quiet place so he can get some rest, because he is just, the poor thing is exhausted. And I'm scaring the crap out of him, and I don't want to do that too much. So I think the best place to put him for right now is the laundry room in this box. It's dark, it's quiet in there, and he can get some rest. Jexie is a bunny. It's a bun, Jexie. Here, you want to see? You want to see the bun? You see that bun? It's a baby bunny, Jexie. So we're gonna put him into the back room and let him get some sleep, because the poor thing, look at him, he just can't hardly hold his eyes open. And I just want him to kind of recover a little bit, so he's not so exhausted when I let him out later. And the cats are bugging him and stuff, so yeah, just a little update on him. He is doing okay, he's doing better. He's kind of chilled out. He's not so much in shock as he was earlier. He was like super in shock earlier. He was just kind of frozen in fear, but now he's doing better. I think he ate a little bit of the dandelion I put in there, which is good. Get his energy back up. So yeah. Hope you guys have a good day, and if you find some wildlife, take care of it, do some research on it. Oh no, it looks like they got part of his ear. Do you see his ear? Oh gosh, that poor thing. Okay, you guys, I've had this bunny sitting in this box for a few hours, well, since this morning, and I've been doing research on the bunny all morning. And it said the best thing I could do is to let it back outside, because their bodies, they don't have like the, you know, I guess the antibodies and stuff to fight stress. And that is the #1 killers of wild rabbits in captivity, is the stress. The bunny that I found, Mark just texted me. The bunny that I found is old enough. He's about 3 weeks old, or it's about 3 weeks old. So it can take care of itself at this point. And I'm not doing it any favors, really, by keeping it in the house. So there is a really bad windstorm going on outside right now, but I think it should be fine. You know, it'd probably be way less stressed out outside in its natural habitat. Good God. And all of the cats are in the house right now, so it's perfect time to go outside and let it back outside and just let it, you know, live out there and do its thing. Because I'm afraid I'm going to do more harm than good in my, you know, in my quest to save the bunny. I'm afraid I'm going to kill the bunny, because you know, the road to hell is paved with good intentions, as you guys know. So we're going to take it outside and we're going to release it. So, okay, let's take this baby outside. It's okay, bunny. You want some water, Jixie? Come on, little bun. Take little bun back outside. No, Jinky, you gotta stay in while I do this. Jinky. Okay, as you guys can see, it's super windy out here, but we are going to take little bunny. Don't worry, little bunny. We're going to take you up the hill. No doubt this is where you came from. And we're going to take you up into this long grass over here. And we're going to let you out. See? Look. Oh, no. Come on, Bun Bun. Come on. Oh, he's so weak. Oh. Oh, you guys, look at him. Oh, come here, little Bun Bun. There you go. There he goes. He gonna hop away. Hop, hop, hop away, little Bun Bun. Aww. That poor little guy. Keep going, Bun Bun. I want you to be nice and safe. Okay, he should be good there. So guys, if you ever find a wild animal, just let it be. You know, I didn't want to keep him in here and, you know, just watch him die, because that would have been awful. Obviously, he's got some wounds. Nature will take its course. Hopefully, you know, he stays safe. I'm going to keep the cats inside for as long as I can so he gets so he can get a good escape. I don't want him to be found by the cats. But no doubt he was found out here somewhere, because I heard Oliver dragging him this morning when I woke up. I heard him crying, heard the bunny crying under my window, which is, you know, right around this corner. So no doubt he got him from this hill somewhere. So he'll be much, much better off in his own environment. You can hear him hopping off. He's going to find him a little spot. Yeah, he'll be much better off out here. He'll be less stressed. He knows how to take care of himself. You know, bunnies usually leave their mothers at around 3 weeks. Oh man, look at my freaking greenhouse. Son of a bitch. Oh, you guys, my plants. Shit. Well, this is not what I was expecting to see when I came off that hill. All my freaking plants. Oh no. Don't worry, little guys. Okay, you guys, this is a situation, a dire situation. I gotta get this under control. Because my freaking greenhouse looks like it's about to blow away. It's literally being ripped apart by the wind, so I've got to get this under control. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that little bunny. Oh, shit. Take what advice, you know, take the advice I gave, and yeah, let me fix this and I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, so the windstorm has stopped, and I put the greenhouse back together, so it wasn't a total loss. Thank God it was strapped down. You guys can see those strings. They're like, it's like what you do to a tent, you know. Stake it down so it doesn't get blown away. Because if it wasn't for that, it definitely would have got blown away. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.